Welcome everyone. Today I am in KB Homes and we're going to be able to see a lot of these single family attached homes that are new construction in Daly City. Now, not all of Daly City is gloomy. There are many parts of Daly City that will have a lot of beautiful sunshine, just like what we have right now. Now today we're going to be taking a look at Point Martin in Daly City. Now this is going to be a project that's going to have over 100 units, taking around 3 years, and they just started selling now. Right now they already have 10 homes sold with a move-in at the time of this recording in 3 to 4 months. So if this is of interest, this is actually a community that is selling quickly. They don't have to do any reductions, and every single week they're increasing their prices by $5,000 to $10,000. So if this is of interest, contact me below and we can see if any of these might be a fit for you. So for this area, they're kind of a no frills. It's gonna be single family, kind of like duet style, no yard, minimal HOA at a little over $200 a month, some mellow roofs, but you're gonna have some of the best value that you're gonna get in all of the area. The neighboring new construction, you're basically gonna be paying a townhome price for the same amount. So we're gonna be looking at 4 of the different model homes, and they're all gonna be a little bit different. Now, in a year and a half later, they will also come out with larger units, over 2,400 square feet. Obviously, that will be in a much more expensive price range. They don't have model homes for that right now because at this time, they are only building these for the next year and a half. So let's go take a look at the 4 model homes. Let's see what you think, and be sure to share this with any of your friends if they're looking for new construction. Okay, we're gonna be taking a look at the first of them. Now, I'm gonna walk on the side so you can get to see what is on actually the side of the home. All of these will be 3 stories. All of them will be 2-car side-by-side garage. Now, depending on the plan and the exact lot, some of them may actually have a driveway. And so that driveway will allow you to have 2 extra parking spots. So something very important. There's no public guest parking in this community. It's only gonna be either at the driveway or at the streets nearby. So once you get to this level, you can start off, you can see the front door. The front door will be at the 2nd level, right? So you saw the garage on the bottom level. So immediately as you come in from the front door, you're gonna be greeted with this lovely dining room, huge kitchen for what it is. All right, 4 countertop spots. Because they bought the land a long time ago, you'll notice that they still have gas stovetops. So the way that it works is that it depends on when you may have actually bought the place, when you may have actually bought the land, not when it's being constructed. That determines whether gas is available, or a lot of them were bought later and those are electric. Here you'll see next to the kitchen, you have a lovely pantry. To the side there, you have your half bath. And here you have a nice balcony. And especially all of these homes are built on the hill, right? So take a look at some of the examples there. You can see just kind of the terrain that they have. So they're gonna all have different types of views, which is great. Now we did come from the 2nd level. So I just wanna show you what is downstairs. So if you come in from the downstairs, you have your garage. But nobody will be coming from here. You have your garage. You have a half bath at this level because you have this separate office room / den. All right, no windows on this ground level, but the benefit of here, and because of these homes, you're in Daly City, so because you're on the ground level, wow, down there was significantly cooler. To give you an idea, right now, outside is around 70 or so degrees. So you can see you have a room downstairs, and as you go upstairs, you're gonna come up immediately to your primary. Here you have central ductwork, as you may potentially hear. Lots of natural light coming in. For the bathroom, you got a lovely walk-in closet. Good amount of space. Private toilet room, dual sink, vanity. Nice walk-in shower. As we keep moving, here you have your stackable washer and dryer. Some cabinet space to the side. Here is bedroom 2 upstairs. Here is the next bedroom that is shared. And this shared bath. So what do you think about this one? You have a minimum of the base along with a lot premium. So depending on where your home is, the lot premium can range from 40,000 to like 150,000. So it gives you an idea about the different options that are here. Just so you know, like, don't be surprised where you see the base at 1.2, but they're asking for like 1.3. So 2 available right now at the time of this recording that are similar to this, and they start at the 1.36 and 1.37 million dollar figures. We're gonna be looking at the next size. We're gonna go from small to big. So the next one is gonna be an 1848. So let's go take a look at the 1848 right now, which is basically where their sales office is at, and then we will see. The previous one was 1835. That was a 3. That downstairs one didn't actually count as a bedroom, so that is a bonus den. We got to mix up a little bit. The 1848, which is where we're at right now, that's the 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Now this starts at 1385. Let's go take a look. So here on the ground level, so you can see the entryway will also be different. Right, you saw the entryway of the other one start on the 2nd level, but this one actually starts on the bottom level. So you can see the configuration will be different. Here you got a full bedroom. And look at this huge closet. Lovely large walk-in closet. Around the corner here. Look at this lovely bathroom. I guess it's a coat closet. I got a coat closet here. It's a pretty nice setup. And as you go upstairs, so you go upstairs, the garage is actually at this level. So the garage is on the 2nd level. You can see how they were able to do the design of the terrain. Right, so the garage goes to the 2nd level. Here is your kitchen. So it's a lovely style. The countertop, as you can see, is a little bit smaller. You still got your pantry though. You didn't lose your pantry. And then here, you got your family room. So I would say the living quarters here, the communal space will be a little bit smaller, right? Because the other one, we still had that formal dining room. So it depends on how you want to use it. Remember, this one is going to be a little bit bigger because this actually has the proper 4 bedrooms. So let's see where you exchange a little bit of the communal space to what? So here's the primary. The primary does feel bigger. Take a look at the dual sink, vanity, walk-in shower. Okay. And on the other end, instead of what we just saw, wow, you got a big closet here. This could be this could be an office. They have a window in there too. Very nice. Okay. So as you keep moving, on the right-hand side, you can see the shared bathroom. The 2 other bedrooms will be right next to each other. And then for the laundry room, this one will actually have a laundry room. So the other one that we saw was stackable, washer and dryer, and this one's certainly gonna be a little bit larger. All right, so what do you think about those 2 right now? Similar price, right? Similar price, similar size, 1835 to 1848. So it just really depends on how you like the layout. Would you appreciate more bedroom space, or would you rather have more of that communal space. That's really gonna be the decision as to how you may wanna choose between the two options, especially if your budget was around, let's say, the mid 1.3s. Now, if your budget was higher by about, let's say, 100,000, we're gonna be taking a look at the next ones. So the next one's gonna be a 1966 square feet. Now this will start at $1.434 million. Let's go take a look at the outside and see how you like this layout. Okay, so here is the front. They both will have a patio. Okay, so you can see the feel very different. Immediately you'll be granted by this staircase. Here's the full bathroom downstairs. You got a full bedroom down here. And in this case, yeah, you have a full bathroom down here. Here's your coat closet. So you can see the terrain. These two, which is the middle two, the 1848 and the 1966, they will have the entry on the ground level. And then you'll have your garage right here on the second level. So if you wanted more of that communal space, you feel like the other one was too small, this may be better. Now this doesn't have that island anymore. You have 4 seats for that countertop. You can see this L-shaped design. Separate dining table area. Here I feel like there's a lot more light that comes in because of that shape. And the benefit of these styles, even though they're attached, they still have 7 inches separation. Because I have that 7 inches separation, you're only gonna have 2 homes attached, right? So you don't have to worry about like those townhomes, which has a series of 4+ homes. Now here's bedroom 1 on the top level. Bedroom 2. In this case, a shared bath. Here, we'll actually go back to the stackable washer and dryer. And then let's check out the primary. How do you guys like this setup? Do you like this kind of makeup area? What do you think about that? Any opinion? What about these colors? I like these colors, lights. Whatever they have in here smells really good. My own curiosity, let's take a look. What is this thing? What kind of perfume do they got in here? Whatever they have sprayed, I need to take some. Nice cinnamon smell. Here, kind of like a linen closet in here, because it's right next to the bathroom. Take a look at this primary. This one is by far the largest, and by far the largest walk-in closet. All right, look at this whole thing. This definitely can fit an office, fit whatever you want in it. So we just saw 3 of the 4 model homes. Leave in the comments below what you think is your favorite right now. We looked at the 1835, 1848, 1966. But before we see the last one, which will be the grandest of them all. If any of these homes are of interest, do not go on your own. Because for me to be able to help you, I do need to come with you for the first time. So let's have a chat. We can go over your game plan, see if any of these communities may work. I can give you some insights, and then we can easily schedule to go see it the same day, the following day, the same weekend. We can easily accommodate it for you. But I do need to come with you for the first time. I do a lot of business with KB. That's why we're able to have these exclusive tours. All right, let's go see the last one. All right, so we are back at this style, right? The front entrance is going to be on the second level. Just where we first saw that, the smallest of them. So as you enter in, to your left will be the full bedroom. And depending where you're at, you may have some pretty nice views. So just be very mindful. The lot here matters a lot. Get it? All right, here is the coat closet. What do you think of the living room space? Which configuration do you like the most? The ones with the island, this kind of square shape, L shape, This one will have a formal dining room. You have your pantry here, which is nice. Now the bottom level will be just like the very first one we saw. Right, on the bottom level, you have your garage entrance. Here you have a coat closet. But then here on the downstairs room space, it's a lot smaller. So it's not so much a room, but it can be used as an office. It is fitted, it can be used as a gym. Good setup. We didn't actually take a look at any of the garages yet, but let's take a look. You can see tankless water heater. They are all equipped with EV charging. So if you have a Tesla, very easy to get installed. So you just saw the first and second level. We're gonna make a loop now to the third. The third, as you move to the right, you'll be greeted first with the primary. Now what's cool about this, I mean, take a look at these views. Depending on where you're at, this is gonna be so important. Right, the lighting, the view, because there's a lot of hills here. And so where you face is important. But because there's a lot of hills, there's also a lot of separation between the buildings. So here is the walk-in closet. To the left, you have your dual vanity. Lovely walk-in shower. Your linen closet. Now to your left here is the washer and dryer stackable. Got some extra cabinets on the side there. Let's go to the left first. You're gonna see lovely bedrooms. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and then the shared bathroom. So this community is really interesting because Daly City has been a great area. This area is more away from where all those gloominess and clouds are. It's still easy access to get to San Francisco. And so for this price, just think about it. What are your options under 1.5 for a single family home? Not much, never mind new construction. Sure, it is attached. Sure, there is no yard, there's no balcony. But for the size, it's hard to get much better. So if this is a community that could work out for you, or you want to understand your options so you know what you're getting yourself into, we help our clients every single week through YouTube. You can look us up online and see how many transactions we do every single year. And so because of that track record, we give our clients a competitive edge to move forward with the next steps, either buy or sell. So if you want to work together, my contact details are below. Let's have a chat and let's jump on a call to go over a game plan as soon as today. Talk soon.